500 miles and an 8-hour ride north is the Allagash Wilderness Waterway. Located deep in the North Maine woods, access is by float plane or logging roads only. Along the way, you'll pass by and see many of Mother Nature's beautiful gifts. Deer, beaver, moose, bear, even bald eagles, all abound in this area. But what I was here for was to paddle the famed Allagash River. Now, I didn't need to start off in the rapids. I could have went around like anybody else. But heck, what fun would that have been? After making my way through some of the more challenging parts of the Chase Rapids, I got to relax and enjoy myself for a bit. I was soon welcomed to this beautiful river, though, by the ambassador of the American wilderness, the bald eagle. And he watched over me as I paddled away. As I was to soon come across my traveling companions, where we would make off to traverse the next 60 miles of river together. Natural springs can be found along the way. This one here is in perfect working condition. These are often cleaned up by the various Boy Scout and other community groups that also make yearly pilgrimages through this beautiful waterway. Now, it should go without saying, each campsite's a waterfront site. They come with picnic tables to unload all your supplies on, fire pits, and an outhouse, which can feel a bit rustic, but that's all part of the fun. Now, you do need to go about gathering your own firewood if you plan on having a nice fire that evening. Because if it doesn't fit in your kayak, it ain't coming with you. At some point along your trip, you're bound to encounter the North American moose. This here appears to be just a young, year-and-a-half-old bull who's come to the water's edge to eat the tender grass shoots that grow just beneath the water's surface. The largest member of the deer family, it is a solo and sedentary creature, and if left unprovoked, would rather flee than fight. Listed as a wild and scenic river, the Allagash should forever remain unencroached by man, and forever in its natural, free-flowing condition. Yes, that's right. You're looking at a baby moose and its mother. The calf here is only about 4 months old, if that. And the two of them were going to swim the river right here in front of us. Making it to the other side safely, they shook themselves off, and slowly they made their way off into the wilderness that they call home. Being listed under the Wild and Scenic River Act of 1968, it assured to protect the Allagash and other wild rivers which held outstanding natural, cultural, or recreational value, and which were to be kept in their free-flowing condition for the enjoyment of present and future generations. When meal planning for your river trip, you're really only limited by the space you have available, and it can be as elaborate or as simple as you want to make it. Saving time for other such things, as in lounging around in your hammock, fishing, swimming, reading, or even just napping the day away. Now, I can't show you everything this river has to offer, but I do suspect that you might already be planning your own trip here someday to the famed Allagash Wilderness Waterway.